there. So today's the day, not that I'm leaving, but today's the day I'm going to be removing my passenger seat. I've decided to encourage me to do this and do it by myself. I need the space more than I need this seat. So I'm going to take it out. Didn't seem too hard on the tutorial I watched. 2 bolts in the front, 3 in the back. There were little covers, little plastic covers on mine. I already took them off. They just kind of, you pulled up one edge and they slid off. Let's get started. I'll be back with you when I have all that done. Okay, so here's what we're working with. Got bolts in the front. This is a 14. Fits like a glove. Got my impact drill. Really enjoy using that. It's made my life much easier. Right, got my damn conversion piece. Very important.
Sip ace, that super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead live, I'm Kurt Cobain, boom, boom. Sip ace, that super bass got boom, boom. Got me dead live, I'm Kurt Cobain, boom, boom. Sip ace, that
Boy, that was easy. It's kind of dirty up in here too, so this, I mean, even if you're not going car camping, this is a good step if you really want to deep clean your car. Okay, so this part seemed more complicated on the video that I watched because he had 2 connection points, but it looks like I've just got the one. Oh, cool, I got like some kind of little sticker identifies it. Must be Japanese. This actually is a Japanese vehicle made in Japan and was brought to Florida. And somebody bought it there and brought it to Illinois and sold it, and I got it. I was looking for a van, and my papa helped me find this, which I think is super great. Because when I thought van life, I didn't picture a van this small, but it's surprisingly roomy in the interior. I'm going to find out in real life how comfortable it is, but I'm excited to get this seat out, vacuum it out, and see what it's actually like. Feeling pretty stoked. Alright, let's get this puppy out. Okay, so I'm officially vacuuming out the rest of my car, van, whatever, Scion XB. I have got the back end all cleared out. Those are just my yoga mats. All my stuff's like outside on the ground. I'll show you my floorboards real quick. Yeah, sparkly clean. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish cleaning it out. I'm gonna detail everything. The dash is like kind of dusty and stuff. It's just the little things at this point that'll make it a lot more homey in here. Gonna wipe everything down, get it clean, and get stuff moved around the way I want it. It feels kind of like a little race car in here, and I love that. It'd be so cool if I could pump my Scion up and make it a super cool race car, but not really what I'm going for at the moment. It's a nice day out. It's not hot or anything, but I'm working up a sweat, that's for sure. Enjoying what I'm doing though, for sure. I got everything out of the front. I need to get everything out of like the little pockets on the doors and out of my console and just clean, scrub, rub-a-dub-dub. Get everything all cleaned up and looking super presentable. And then maybe I'll go visit some friends or something this evening. It would be fun to get together and visit. Tomorrow I'm going to go visit another friend that I used to work with. And then I might be thinking about leaving. Maybe Tuesday or so. I should take some time and have dinner with my dad and siblings. Maybe put a dinner together with the family. I don't know. Because I'm not like leaving forever or anything. But there's one thing my mom taught me. It's that you never know when the last time is you're going to be saying goodbye to somebody. So it's really important to always say I love you, hugs and kisses before you leave, because you don't get to go back and do it later. I missed out on a lot of things, and I had kind of a bad attitude when I was younger because I always thought that I could go back and do things later, or I'll make it up at a later date. That later date never comes. You have a time to do something and then it's over with and you don't get a second chance. And that's what I keep telling myself, because it's been hit and miss at times, but I've had a good time here. Connecting with people I haven't seen in a long time has been really rewarding, and I've started almost thinking like, I could be happy here, maybe I should stay, and that's terrifying. That is exactly what I didn't want to happen. It's important to me to go on this adventure and stay true to myself, and then if you can always go home. If I still feel that way later, maybe at the end of the summer, I'll consider that, but I need to do this first in order to know that I did it, and I tried, and that I'm capable of such things. Plus, generally people don't regret things they've done. They regret things they didn't do. Is so far in my experience of like hospice work and end of life care and stuff like that. People regret the things that they didn't have the courage to do. I don't want that to be me. I want to be courageous and follow my heart and live my dreams and stuff. So anyway, good check-in, good talk. I went and grabbed some cleaners out of Papaw's workshop. Thanks, Papaw, again. Glass cleaner. Auto shop degreaser, because I've got something really gooey and mysterious in my center console area I'm hoping to get back out. So, now to spray and wipe everything down. All right, we are all clean. Shiny, shiny. Found a bunch of scratches on my interior, on there, and, excuse me, cotton. On that door panel, I don't even know if you can see that. You probably don't care, but I do. Check this out real quick. They're disking. They're getting ready to plant. I saw a tractor out planting today. Not in this field, but in another. That's interesting how they got the one disc and then the other in the back. I should have got it on film earlier. We had some real big buzzards up on the top of the barn. Just gigantic. Just a testament to how roomy the Scion is. Still looks pretty good in there, right? Right. Well, this is all my stuff. My bed's over there on the hood. Pile of stuff. This is where Cotton was taking a nap. Another pile of stuff. All that fit in there with plenty of room. You could have twice as much crap in there. So there's that. It's a little crooked. The legs aren't up. Makes it nice and flat. I can set it up all the way, but then I kind of lose out on a little leg and foot room. Kind of want to put my mattress on it and try it out. Ooh, feels good to lay down and rest a minute. So, I'm in my new bed. I kind of like this spot a little better than the other. I could put my cooler right there. Have snacks, just lay around, watch the sunset. So, this mattress is pretty thick, doubled over like that. So I kind of lose out on a little bit of foot room. It's pretty cozy though, honestly. Be nice if this would lay a little flatter. But it's got these, sorry, bad camera skills. It's got these metal things. There's one underneath there. It's kind of propped up on it. Yeah, but overall, not bad. Makes it roomier in here, that's for sure. Gotta put some curtains up, make it feel like a home. I'm excited for that. I just had my second vaccination 2 days ago now. Wasn't so bad. People really hyped it up that it was gonna not be fun. And, I mean, of course it wasn't, but it wasn't that bad. I did wake up with chills and stuff the next day. Or that night, I should say. But, I had kind of already had some bronchitis-y, headachy, sinus-y kind of stuff. We had a sudden, no-reason snow. Most people, that weird weather really took me out there for a bit. I was feeling pretty rough, but it was Dayquil to the rescue. I love Dayquil. It's really helpful. Of course, it has Tylenol in it, so that helped with my stuff after my vaccine as well. So I'm fully vaccinated. I'm glad I got that over with. It was kind of a pain in the butt to find the Pfizer around here. If they had it, they're out of it, but I found some up in Champaign. So, all done and recovered. Not too bad. I'm feeling really stoked. I have a bed in here. It looks kind of proper, too. And I was a little worried, like, oh, I shouldn't take in my passenger seat, because what if I want to bring a bud? Well, Bud has a nicer seat than I do now. Maybe Cotton will want to sit here instead of being on my lap underneath my arms and stuff. Wishful thinking. Aw. Yeah, check this out. Ignore like the mess and stuff, but he just makes himself at home everywhere he's at. Just takes a little nap in the sun. Precious little baby. Oh my god, so cute. My heart. Yeah, I think I'm done for the day. Thank you for watching this, if you did watch it. I appreciate you. You're a real friend, good pal, buddy of mine. I am going to make another video tomorrow about how I pack up my stuff, and then I can go around and visit people and be ready to go at a moment's notice. Might be finding myself, I think my first destination so far is going to be Nashville, Tennessee. Never been. I'm excited to go. It's only about 4 hours away, so not even that long of a drive. I've got to break up my journey kind of into bite-sized pieces too, because my cruise control doesn't work anymore for some reason. Aftermarket electronics. Yeah, so it'll be one bite at a time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!